Country acreage with good road frontage and a home with great bones. Enjoy long road frontage on Highway 49. Pastures, woods and a nice pond. The home has nice wood floors. Plenty of storage and spacious rooms. Carport and a circle drive. Convenient to Clarksville and Kerr Lake boat ramps. This could be a special place. Hurry while there is still time to plant your garden. Appreciate the size of the living dining room. Plenty of built-in shelves in the den with real knotty pine walls to display your favorite hunting and fishing pictures. The bedroom with ensuite bath is at the other end of the home from the other bedrooms for privacy. If the country is calling you, make sure you check out this opportunity.